Right now, while you are watching this video, there are thousands of people across the world earning money online. Some are students, some are unemployed, some are working normal jobs but building side income, and some are even making more money online than in physical jobs. The interesting part is this: most of them are not doing anything special. They are not geniuses, they are not rich, and they are not living in special countries. They simply discovered platforms that reward people for time, skills, or attention, and they start using them consistently. Now imagine if you also understood those platforms clearly and actually used them the right way. That is exactly what this video is about. We are going to go deep into real websites that pay people online in 2026, not theory, not motivation only, real systems people are using today. But before we even talk about the websites, I want you to understand something very important, because if you miss this part, you will struggle even if you know all the platforms. Making money online is not one thing. It is not luck, it's not magic, it is a system built on three things. The first thing is skills. Skills can be anything that provides value. Writing, designing, editing videos, speaking, researching, or even simple data entry. The second thing is time. Every online income system requires time at the beginning. Even the fastest ones still require learning time. And the third thing is consistency. This is the most important one, because most people start and stop too early. They try something for a few days or weeks, don't see results, and give up. Now, every website I'm going to explain to you works because it connects you with one or more of these three things. Some websites pay you for skills, some pay you for time, and some pay you for attention or content. Let's start with one of the strongest categories: freelancing platforms. Freelancing websites are platforms where people from all over the world hire you to do tasks or projects. These can be short tasks or long-term work depending on your ability. One of the most popular platforms in this category is Fiverr. Fiverr is a place where you create small services called gigs. Think of it like putting your skills on a shelf and allowing people to buy them. For example, if you can design logos, you create a gig that says, "I'll design a professional logo for your business." If you edit videos, you create a gig for video editing. If you can write, you offer writing services. Even if you don't have advanced skills, you can start with very simple services like typing, transcription, or basic social media tasks. The way Fiverr works is simple. You create a profile, you upload your gig, and then clients start ordering from you. At the beginning, most people struggle to get their first order. This is normal. The platform is competitive, but there is a strategy many beginners use. They start with very low prices just to build trust and reviews. Once they get their first few customers and positive feedback, things start to improve quickly. Over time, Fiverr can grow into a serious income source if you stay consistent and improve your skills. Now let's move to another freelancing platform called Upwork. Upwork is slightly different. Instead of posting gigs and waiting, you actively apply for jobs. Clients post job offers like, "I need a website designer," or "I need someone to write articles," or "I need a virtual assistant." Then you send proposals explaining why you are the right person for the job. Upwork is more professional compared to Fiverr. It often has higher paying clients, but it also requires more effort in the beginning. You need a strong profile, good communication, and patience while building reputation. The advantage of Upwork is that once you build trust with a client, they often give you long-term work, which means stable income. Another platform in the freelancing category is freelancer.com. This one is similar to Upwork. You bid on projects and compete with other freelancers. It can be competitive, but it is still a good place for beginners who want to try different types of online work. Now let's move away from freelancing and talk about simpler websites that do not require strong skills. These are often called microtask or reward websites. One example is Swagbucks. Swagbucks pays you for very simple online activities. You can earn money by watching videos, answering surveys, playing games, or trying small offers. Now, let's be honest here. Swagbucks will not make you rich, but it is useful for beginners who want to understand how online earning works. It is also helpful if you want to earn small amounts of money while learning other skills. Another platform is Clickworker. Clickworker gives you small tasks like writing short descriptions, categorizing information, checking data, or helping improve artificial intelligence systems. These tasks are usually simple and do not require advanced knowledge. The good thing about Clickworker is that you can work anytime and tasks are usually flexible. You choose what you want to do. There is also remote tasks in some regions. This platform focuses on AI training tasks like labeling images, identifying objects, transcribing audio, and helping improve machine learning systems. At first, remote tasks may require training, but once you pass that stage, it becomes a consistent source of small income. Now let's move into something more powerful and long-term: content creation platforms. This is where things start to change completely, because instead of working for individual tasks, you start building an audience. The biggest example is YouTube. YouTube is not just a video platform, it is a global income system. People earn money through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, product sales, and even personal branding. But there is the truth that most beginners don't want to hear. YouTube is not fast money. It takes time, it takes effort, and it requires patience. Most successful creators you see today struggled in the beginning. Some upload the videos for months without views. Some took a year or more before making real money, but they stayed consistent. That consistency is what separates those who succeed from those who quit. Another growing platform is TikTok. Depending on your location, TikTok allows creators to earn through creator funds, live gifts, and brand deals. The advantage of TikTok is speed. You can grow very quickly if your content goes viral. But the disadvantage is that income is less stable compared for YouTube unless you build a strong audience. Blogging is another powerful method. With blogging, you create a website and write articles on topics people search for online. When people visit your website, you earn money through ads like Google AdSense or through affiliate marketing. Blogging takes time to grow, but once it builds traffic, it can generate passive income for years. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing, which is one of the most important online income systems. Affiliate marketing means you promote other people's products and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. For example, Amazon affiliate allows you to promote millions of products. You don't need to own anything, you simply share links. If someone buys from your link, you earn money. In Africa, platforms like Jumia affiliate allows similar opportunities with local products, which makes it easier for beginners to start. Now here is the part most people miss completely. The real secret to making money online is not choosing one website. It is combining multiple systems. For example, you can use freelancing websites for active income You can use YouTube for long-term growth. You can use affiliate marketing for passive income. And you can use microtask websites for small daily earnings. When you combine all of them, you stop depending on one source. You build a system that supports itself. Most people fail online not because opportunities are fake, but because they stop too early. They expect instant results, and when they don't see money quickly, they quit. But online income is different. It builds slowly at first, then it grows fast over time. At the beginning, you may feel like something is not working, but if you continue learning, improving, and staying consistent, things start to change. You get your first small result, then another one, then something bigger, and slowly you start to see real progress. If you're serious about changing your life using the internet, the most important thing you can do is start today, not tomorrow, not next week. Pick one platform, learn it, practice it, and stay consistent. Because the truth is simple. The internet does not reward knowledge alone. It rewards action. And those who take action early are the ones who eventually win.